guys, we're back with another video, and today I'm going to High Octane Fest. I'm with my dad here. There's so many cars. At least 200 cars came out. This is insane. It's a movie. We're gonna be going to the roll-in. I'm gonna be showing a little bit behind the scenes. This is my first car show where I'm actually in the show, so it's gonna be lit. See you when I'm there. Alright guys, we're finally parked up. Get the car set up. Yes sir. The car's posted up. Got the DC5 Ezzy supercharged. You know the vibes. Making it happen. Sick. First show ever. This is dope. Behind the scenes of the High Octane Fest car meet. It's a movie. Turnout's gonna be crazy. My boy over here in the GTR. Yeah. This is gonna be nuts. So right now, it feels so weird because there's no people, there's no spectators right now. So this is truly behind the scenes. Wait, in about an hour or two, it's gonna be slammed. You know how much One of my favorite cars, S15.
This one?
This is nice. I like this. A lot of Japanese cars, what I like to see. They got us free shirts for all the VIP people. Not gonna lie, shirts are fire. Stockyards, High Octane, Import Fest. Bro, this is sick. Turnout is insane. It's a movie. This is nuts. There's so many cars. At least 200 cars came out. This is insane. Music is so loud. Insane. Alright guys, it's rollout time. We're all rolling out. Alright guys, that completes the High Octane Import Culture collab show. It was amazing. I'm on my way to a car meet. Might film some of it, might not, we'll see. Yeah. Damn. Chillin', bro, is good. Oh shit. Yo! Oh, yo. Oh shit. It is packed in here. Yo! We're at Billy Bishop Meets Live. It's crazy, crazy. We literally parked on the sidewalk. You know what it is, VIP parking. Got a Civic here, all motor beast. Beats all the turbo Hondas, watch out. Z1 Mark over here. Everyone's outside, everyone's outside. Billy Bishop is packed tonight. It's crazy. All right, guys, I'm gonna enjoy the rest of the car meet. Today was an absolute movie. I want to thank you guys so much for watching. I want to thank you, everyone who showed love at the car meet, at the car show. Thank you guys so much. Truly a dream come true having my car in the car show. And shout out High Octane, shout out Import Culture, shout out everyone that's helped me with this build. It's been another video. God bless.